Stop wasting money on app builders because these free AI tools can build entire apps for you in minutes. No code, no limits. Just describe your idea and watch AI do the rest. In this video, I will show you exactly how they work step by step, and by the end, you will be ready to launch your own AI powered app today without writing a single line of code. I tested over 20 no-code AI platforms, and most of them either had paywalls, confusing editors, or didn't let you export your app. But these AI no-code platforms, they are completely free, easy to use, and powered by AI to help you build web apps in minutes. Let's start with my personal favorite, Trae.ai. First up, Trae.ai. This is like ChatGPT, but instead of generating text, it generates entire software projects. You just describe what kind of app you want. For example, a task manager with dark mode and user login, and Trae will instantly create your project with structure, files, and even live preview. What makes Trae insane is that you can actually edit the generated code visually. So even if you don't code, you can tweak designs, add features, and deploy instantly. Uses AI to understand natural language app ideas, generates real code, front end plus back end. Work is like visual builder plus code editor hybrid. You can export your project anytime. 100% free at the moment. That is Trae.ai, a powerful AI coder that makes building real apps feel like chatting with ChatGPT. But what if you want something more experimental, a next level AI that literally builds your UI instantly as you describe it? Let's check out Bolt.diy. Second, Bolt.diy from Stackability Labs. This one blew my mind. It is an open source AI dev tool that uses AI to build full apps directly in your browser. You just type what you want, like to do up with categories and animations, and Bolt instantly generate it with a working front-end code. It built on Stackability's lightning fast cloud dev environment, so you can edit, preview, and deploy everything instantly. No installs, no downloads, all in your browser. 100% browser-based instant preview uses AI plus TypeScript/React for real apps. Open source. GitHub repo free to use. You can modify and deploy instantly. Great for prototyping or testing startup ideas fast. Look at that, full app in seconds. That is the future of development. Alright, now for the final tool. This one is a game changer for anyone who wants to integrate AI directly into their app. It is called Firebase Studio. Third free tool is Firebase Studio, your all-in-one AI backend builder. Think of it as a way to instantly create your app's backend, database, and authentication, all with AI. You just describe what kind of data your app needs, for example, users, tasks, and comments, and Firebase Studio automatically builds ready-to-use Firebase project with collections, API endpoints, and even starter code. Uses AI to create backend structure instantly, integrates directly with Firebase Google's cloud. You can preview, edit, and deploy instantly. No coding needed. Free for prototypes and small projects. What is crazy is that this tool removes the hardest part of app building, setting up the backend, and lets you focus on the user experience. Here is a quick summary. Trae.ai, full AI app builder best for complete beginners. Bolt.diy, open source browser dev environment, perfect for speed and testing ideas. Firebase Studio, powerful AI backend builder for scalable projects. Each one is free, no code required, and instantly fast. You can literally build full app in under an hour combining these three. If you want me to make full tutorials where I build real apps using these three AI tools together, drop a comment saying build it. And don't forget to hit subscribe because I'm revealing more free AI tools like this every week.